Hello there, mathletes. Welcome back to Math Jamboree. Today we have another digital SAT math type of a question from the Basic Algebra topic. So let's solve this question together. Y minus 20 is equals to 65. What value of y is the solution to the given equation? I would like to give you prior knowledge of how to solve these basic equations. To solve these basic equations, we will use inverse operations. Which means that if there is the inverse operation of subtraction is addition. The inverse operation of addition is subtraction. The inverse operation of multiplication is division. The inverse operation of division is multiplication. So, in this specific question, they subtract 20 from y. And to solve this equation, we were going to use our inverse operation of subtraction, which is addition. So, we will add 20 to both sides of the equation, because whatever you do one side of the equation, you must do on the other side to keep it balanced. So these cancel each other out. Y will be equal to 85. So our final answer is 85 for this specific question. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.